Hi guys, welcome to a short video about a small repair of the Moosoo K17 brush roller. That's the hard floor brush roller, and yeah, I've been using it today and it made some really strange squeaking sounds, and I tried to find out what it is, and it looks like it's these two wheels here, which we can take out and clean and then put a little bit of oil on that. So how to take it out? You can you have to use like a small screwdriver or similar thing and then go out from the outside. Hope you can focus a little bit. So that's a little bit close, and hope you can see that how I do that. So you have to go in like from one side, so not like this but more like this, and yeah, you have to be careful not to damage. Don't be too rough. I mean, it's plastic, but usually it works pretty good, and when you have it from one side you can take it out. So yeah, I had to clean this a little bit. I have done it already, you can see that, and now I'm putting a little bit of oil on that. I'm going to use the WD-40. I hope it's okay, but definitely it will be better than before. So the good thing for you is definitely that you can take it out, because it can really collect some dust and dirt and hairs, and it doesn't move then, and it makes this really strange sound. So I definitely recommend to do this maybe every half year or so, or yeah, just when it makes this strange sound. So that's it for now. I hope I was able to help you a little bit with that. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.